Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Oregon takes bold step in drug policy, Musk battles OpenAI, Apple stumbles as Goldman Sachs pulls support. New York Community Bancorp faces stock plunge while NASDAQ and S&P 500 soar to new heights. Dominion Energy's earnings forecast disappoints, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF hits $10 billion milestone, and former Yahoo CEO joins at&T board. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines and more. New Zealand has decided to overturn a prohibition on tobacco sales to the younger populace, choosing alternative methods to curb smoking. In other news, Thailand is considering a ban on recreational cannabis by the end of this year due to worries about misuse. This could potentially affect its emerging industry worth $1.2 billion. On another note, Oregon is reevaluating its decision to decriminalize hard drugs such as heroin and cocaine in light of opioid overdoses tripling since the year 2020.
The chief executive officer of Tesla, Elon Musk, has filed a lawsuit against the artificial intelligence research group OpenAI and its CEO, Sam Altman. Musk accuses them of prioritizing profit over the benefit of humanity. He alleges that OpenAI's mission to create open-source technology free from corporate influence has been compromised by Microsoft, which is their largest investor. Furthermore, Musk criticizes the restructured board's ability to determine when artificial general intelligence is reached. It is reported that Musk is raising funds for a competing venture named xAI.
Shares of Apple experienced a minor decline after Goldman Sachs decided to remove it from its conviction list. This occurred even though the firm maintained a buy rating for Apple and raised the price target. According to Goldman Sachs, the market is overly focused on slower product revenue, while ignoring Apple's strong ecosystem and steady income. With more than 2.2 billion devices in active use worldwide, growth in services and introduction of new products are anticipated to offset any cyclical decreases in product revenue.
Shares of New York Community Bancorp experienced a 21% drop following the disclosure of a major defect in their loan review procedure. The bank, which is still in the process of finalizing its internal control evaluation, intends to publicize the problem along with its rectification strategy in its postponed 2023 Form 10-K submission. Despite this hurdle, market experts are of the opinion that it will not have a substantial effect on the bank's operations or expenses beyond what was previously recognized.
United States stocks commenced March on a high note, with both the NASDAQ Composite and S&P 500 hitting record peaks. This upward trend comes in the wake of unfavorable manufacturing data and a downward adjustment to consumer sentiment, which has heightened anticipation for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Despite mixed factory data and indications that the Fed's monetary policy tightening is affecting the economy, market sentiment continues to be optimistic. Significant stock movements included a surge in NetApp's value following an upward revision of profit forecasts, along with Spirit AeroSystems' leap amid rumors of reacquisition discussions with Boeing.
Dominion Energy's estimated profits for the year 2024 are not meeting analyst predictions, with a range of $2.62 to $2.87 per share. This is in contrast to the anticipated $3.03. On a brighter note, their projections for 2025 are in line with consensus estimates. The firm has set an annual growth target of 5 to 7% and expects to invest $43.2 billion in capital between 2025 and 2029, focusing mainly on operations in Virginia.
BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has exceeded $10 billion in assets, a milestone reached merely 7 weeks post-launch. This event marks its second-largest day of inflows. In comparison, Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund is in the runner-up position with assets worth $6.3 billion. ARK Invest's 21 shares Bitcoin ETF holds the third spot with $2.1 billion in assets. Contrarily, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust witnessed outflows nearing $600 million, and Europe's most substantial Bitcoin funds also saw an uptick in outflows.
Marissa Mayer, previously an executive at Google and CEO of Yahoo, has recently been named a member of at&T's board of directors. In addition to her current role as the leader of tech startup Sunshine Products, she will also contribute to AT&T's audit and corporate development and finance committees. Given her extensive experience in technology, it is anticipated that she will provide significant insights to this telecommunications corporation.
And that wraps up today's episode of the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll meet you back here tomorrow. Farewell for now. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.